is the start of a journey, guys. We are at the beginning point of India's AI revolution. And as India becomes a true AI-first economy, we will definitely become the leaders of the world. And that's the purpose with which we are building this.
On July 7, 2023, India's first AI company raised a funding of $50 million with a valuation of $1 billion. It was the first AI unicorn of India.
Agrawal has entered the artificial intelligence space. He's launched what he claims to be India's first full-stack AI solution called Krutrim AI.
Krutrim, founded by Bhavish Agrawal, also the owner of Ola, who already has 2 unicorns under his name. So today, we are going to take you through the journey of how it became India's first AI unicorn. Despite being home to one of the world's largest startup ecosystem, India is yet to make a material impact in the AI race. Indian contenders are yet to emerge and challenge the dominance of large language models like Amazon's Anthropic, Google's Gemini and OpenAI's ChatGPT. Indian powerhouse Reliance partnered with NVIDIA in September, revealing their plans to build large language models trained on India's diverse languages. But the firm, run by Mukesh Ambani, Asia's richest person, is yet to launch its AI offering. So during the dominance of AI language models like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini, an Indian AI startup raised a funding of $50 million that values it to $1 billion. Krutrim is an AI startup founded by Bhavish Agrawal, who is also the founder of Ola. It was launched on April 2023. Krutrim is also the fastest unicorn of India. The company which funded Krutrim is Matrix Partners India, which led on the first round of $50 million in Krutrim. And the Matrix Partners India also invested in the 2 previously started startups by Bhavish Agrawal, Ola and Ola Electric. Language is a very important part of communication. Many people speak various languages globally, let alone India. India being diverse as it is, we still depend on foreign AI models like OpenAI's ChatGPT. It still created a gap between people who cannot speak English and technology. During this time, Bhavish Agrawal thought of building an AI language model which can reduce this gap. Krutrim was created with the focus on developing a large language model trained on local Indian languages alongside English. And this will help to bridge the linguistic gap in the digital space for Indian users. It aims to be a conversational AI that can cater to the diverse landscapes of India. Krutrim is trying to make AI as user-friendly as possible by even adding voice-enabled conversational AI to provide seamless and intuitive experience to the users. It aims to be a conversational AI that can cater to the diverse landscapes of India.
India has the most vibrant developer community in the world. But this developer community needs an Indian platform to truly shine and build products for India also and for the world. And that's Krutrim's mission and vision to really provide. And we want to grow with the developer ecosystem in India.
Krutrim was started with a vision and mission in mind. Bhavish Agrawal wanted India to have its own AI. It plans to make a beta version of its chatbot available to consumers next month and follow it by rolling out APIs to developers and enterprises. On its website, Krutrim also says that it will develop the in-house capability to manufacture chips for AI compute. On the late afternoon of 11th May 2024, Bhavish Agrawal, also the founder of Ola, tweeted calling out LinkedIn and Microsoft for having very few women workers in a plant, whereas Ola has a plant that is completely run by women. Following this, he decided to completely move out of Microsoft Azure and move to Krutrim Cloud. He also added that they are willing to provide free cloud storage for 1 year to anyone who are not going back. India has the most vibrant developer community in the world, but this developer community needs an Indian platform for truly shining and build products for India as well as for the world. As the Indian developer community is quite young, it has energy, it has vision, it has the imagination and it has the innovation. The only thing that is missing out is that it needs a platform. In comparison to Azure, Krutrim's capabilities are still. But the company's focus of building the entire AI computing stack sets it apart. providing a viable alternative to Western cloud services. However, they also caution that the company's nationalistic approach may not be sustainable in the long run. With this, we come to the end of the heroic journey of Kritrim, which started in the mid-2023 and raised to power as India's first AI unicorn. With a founder like Bhavish Agrawal, who has 100% track record of success in Ola and Ola Electric. Do you think Kritrim has well positioned itself in the AI market worldwide, or it just has the region-specific dominance? Comment down your opinion below. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel.